Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing those bagel dunks. You know, I'm going to give you the on feet, and it's only right that I give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my box, which I did pick up from the sneakers. I was able to hit on sneakers for the retail, so it was only right. I got my trusty box cutter, man. So you know what time it is. Peel back gang. We're gonna go ahead and slice it down the middle. Then we're gonna peel it back, and we're going to let's go ahead and peel it back, man. So yeah, we outside with it, man. We're getting most stuff. We do right here, we have standard Nike box right here in that orange. Box looks good, you know, not too much to say. If you got any dunks, they usually come in this box. Even though this these dunks actually did have like a special edition box, but I believe it was only for like the Canada shops or whatever, because this is like a Montreal type of special that they have. But right here on the label, it does say Nike Dunk Low PRM, which is for premium. So you can take a quick look at the box right there. I did get a size 10, which is my preferred size. So let's go ahead and open this joint up. The colors do say Sesame, Blue Jay, Sail, and Sand Drift. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Shoes looking good, man. Come on now, fresh out. Now this is supposed to be based on like a bagel, which is like I guess a famous bagel in Monterey or whatever. Man, looks good. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the details on this joint, man, because as you can see, like I said, it is based on a sesame bagel. And if you look right around the toe area, you do kind of get those sesame seeds all the way around. Shoe looks very good. We kind of got like that beige-ish type of a color right here, man. The leather is actually looking really good. This is like a soft leather. Definitely better than the Panda Dunk leather. And I can feel the premium. I see why they went premium on this, man. We got those nice kind of sail laces right here. That Blue Jay blue on the swoosh. And this was what really kind of drew me to the shoe, because I don't have the Kentucky Dunks, but I did want to get those, but I missed on those. So this kind of gives me some dunks with that royal blue type of color, so that way I can wear it with some of my my Blue Jays gear, some of my Dodgers gear, and yeah, definitely premium materials. And so these are going for only like $160 on the resale market. So if you want these, just go ahead and scoop them up, man. They're not gonna hit you for like $250, $300, nothing like that. We do have like right here, we do have like a leather, it looks like a leather tongue. I'm not sure if that's leather, but it's definitely a nice soft material right here on the tongue. Yeah, man, very, very nice. We got that insole, Nike insole, and it does have somewhat of like a wood type insole right there pattern. Bottom, we do have what looks like a gum bottom, but almost like a translucent gum. So it's not purely a gum bottom, but it is in that brown family. On the back, we do got that Nike sign, man. But yeah, very nice pair of dunks. I'm glad to have these. You know, I got to give you the on feet, and it's only right that I give you the outfit ideas, man. I got a couple ideas for these joints, man. So let's go ahead and get into the on foot portion of the video. And right here we do have the shoes, man. I went ahead and, like I said, I got my true size of a size 10, and these fit really good. So like I said, they have that kind of softer toe box, so the creasing is going to be there, but it's not going to be like a hard crease. It will be more of a soft crease on these joints, but I do have plenty of space. It's not too much room where it creases up super easily, but they look really good. I mean, I got them on right here with the white socks, and I think the white socks kind of just make that color, that sesame seed, really pop on these. And right here, I do have my first outfit idea. Now, this is kind of just like my chill day party type of a vibe, you feel me? We do have the Nike woven shorts. We have on a white Nike t-shirt with a little bit of that royal blue. Got a little bit of yellow in there, you feel me? And then I also got the Made by Stokes LA hat, you feel me? So, you know, that joker goes crazy. Can't go wrong with that. But this is just like that day party kind of summery type of a vibe outfit right here. And right here, I do have the Dunks on with the no-show socks. So I do actually have socks on. I'm not really a big fan of wearing shoes without socks, but I do have the no-shows on, you feel me? I like to give a couple different looks, you feel me? So last time I had the crew socks. Now we're going no-show socks, man. And right here, I do have the fit with, this is kind of like a vacation outfit to me. You know, you got that matching set, top and bottom, you feel me? You got that sesame seed, that light tan, that taupe outfit, which matches perfectly with the Dunks, man. I mean, this is something, you going to Miami, you feel me? You going to an island or something. You just throw something like this on and you looking good, you feeling good, you feel me? And right here, I do have the Dunks on with my black Taylor cargos, you feel me? So this is just another look. This is how it looks with the cargos. I do have them halfway unzipped. Kind of gives you that flair. But if you want to have them zipped up, it gives you a totally different vibe. And I like them both, you feel me? I like it when it's zipped down, you feel me? And I also like it when it's flared out. So you can't really go wrong with these cargos, man. Definitely highlights the shoe. When you do have it zipped up, you see more of the shoe. But I know the style right now, everybody's doing like the flare pants. And so this right here, this will be my nighttime outfit, you feel me? We got that long sleeve Nike. This is the rugby polo that they came out with. Got the swoosh on the front. Like I said, we got the black Taylor cargos. Can't really go wrong with cargos. I mean, it's a long sleeve, so it does kind of have that nighttime vibe, you feel me? That date night. Went ahead, threw it on with that Chicago Cubs, you know, hat club pink bottom. Can't really go wrong with that. And this is just another look, like I said, when you have it zipped up, that does, you know, accent the shoe a little bit more if you don't like the big flared look, man. But let me know what you think about the outfit ideas, man. Those were my 3 outfits. Let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know I got more heat coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.